So I finally got GTR fenders, genuine metal GTR fenders from the USA for the R33, and I'm very excited about that. I actually decided I'm gonna go through with the body kit that it has on it because I think it looks so cool. And this thing's gonna look so great, just a little bit wider. Like OEM spec GTR wider, it's gonna look amazing. I super miss driving this thing, and I can't wait until it's finished with its looks, but also, just like we did with the Civic, we got some power to give this thing. It looks like all the oil was soaked up by the kitty litter. That's always good. You gotta have some litter on your shop, dude. That's the #1 thing that you guys need to have. Today I need to get my intercooler piping run, and I also need to get my exhaust done. Yep, rip my driveway, dude. I gotta start it.
Haven't seen this oil leak. That is a big oil leak.
Last time we loaded this up on a trailer, I didn't have wheels I could run lines through, and now I can. So trailering will be a lot easier. It's not a semi road trip in Texas if you don't stop by Buc-ee's and grab some food. You guys might think that we're weird here in Texas. And you guys might think that we say we do things bigger here in Texas and we don't. But let me tell you what, we definitely do. The road I exited on is called Buc-ee's Boulevard. We're committed to this. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you guys, my AC broke. It's been horrible. Oh, Kevin. You ready, bud? What are you building here? A square? It's a really nice square you got going on. This is Kevin from Turn 5, and he's gonna do some exhaust things for me today. Dude, my AC went out in Tahoe, so it's been a really fun drive.
Roll the windows down, all 8 of them.
Yep, that's what I did. Oh, is this your burnout machine? Is this what we watched do a burnout this one time? This is a new one. This is good, dude. I like the custom livery you got going on here. Oh my God. Oh, ow! Nice. Pretty sick, huh? Dude, $600. Not for the car, but for the kit, turbo kit. Like manifold, this piece of crap wastegate, like all the piping, everything, $600, dude.
Hey, if it works, it works.
If it worked, yeah, exactly, dude. It could work a day, I'm not gonna be mad. If it works a month, I'm not gonna be mad. Yeah, I told you I had tons of stuff. Like, all of that piping, I'm sure you can make something out of this.
Did that come with it for $600?
All of it for $600. I don't know what kind of tin can this aluminum is made from,
actually,
but
this is pretty thick, good stuff.
Like, I'm telling you, man, like this, nobody made money on this kit. Somebody lost their job selling me this for $600. I also have blow-off valve and a flange. That's the blow-off valve. That's what it feels like to be tall. Yo, dude, I feel like a giant looking at the screen right now, dude. Yo, watch out, world. I'm 7 feet tall.
So straight out the hood?
Easy peasy, dude, yeah. So I guess you'll just need like that and then like another like little bend right here to go straight up. Damn, that's actually simpler than I thought.
I always enjoy when you come out because your stuff is simple.
Hey!
You don't add on 16 different things once you get here.
I'm a pretty simple guy, dude. I know what I want. All I want is to blow up a D16. I guess that's the other thing too, is I know this engine's gonna blow like really soon and I'm gonna come back and get another exhaust from you. So I'm like, you know what? If we have to use half a foot of pipe for this, sure. Yo, where's the president? Is it on this side?
Is it?
There he is. There he is, dude.
Also not happy about this, but it's what the customer requested.
So this guy doesn't come out. This doesn't work anyways, and I don't even care. I don't even know if I have a car that uses windshield washer fluid. Like, right next, bro. Whatever. So, it can't come out, so it needs to be cut. And so Kevin's gonna let me do the fun part. Like butter. Uh-oh. We don't need that. Yeah, you wanna do some plastic welding to get that back together, dude? Some flame, just put a flame on it. This thing is dope. I need one of these. Kevin made me a bung hole so we could tune it. And this is sick, actually. That's gonna look really nice. Even for like a crappy turbo kit, this pipe is probably nicer than half this, like literally anything on the car. So we're getting the intercooler stuff set up. We've got the hot side figured out what we're gonna do. There's a little U shape around here. I'll be able to use the core and the cooler side of the intercooler for the B18. If I do a B18, I keep on saying I'm gonna be a B18. Might be a K series, contemplated a V6, but I think we might just do simple, something under a hood so you can't really tell it's gonna be a super fast car, you know? Or I say that and it might just not ever look like a sleeper. It might just look fast and be fast. Doesn't that look good, guys? Look at that bead. All right, so we got one. We've got the hood exit on, which is pretty fun. We got the hot side on, and now we are finishing up cold side. And the cold side is gonna have the blow-off valve as close to the intake manifold as possible. We're gonna have to get that done. Oh, she's looking so mean already, dude. Look at that. Look at that.
This came with a turbo timer?
It came with, that's what I was telling you. This came with a turbo timer, blow-off valve, wastegate, turbo, manifold. I'm telling you, dude, somebody's running a janky operation somewhere. Okay, so he's finished fabbing up the rest of this. Now we have to put the blow-off valve into the intercooler piping. And after that's done, the intercooler piping will be done. There she is. Alright, dude. What should we name them? What's his name? What's his name?
I don't know. I don't have kids. I'm not good at naming things. Call this one Slim.
Slim? This one's the fat one, though.
I know. That's why we'll call it Slim.
Slim and Shady. Is that white enough for you?
I mean, I grew up with M&M, so.
Alright, so we got Slim and Shady on. We got the whole get up on. I gotta put this under the car. I gotta give you a startup, and it's just a little bit of oil, so what's the worst that can happen, right? But how do I open this damn door? Here we go. You ready for the wrath of 1,000 Hondas to come out and play? Yeah, baby. Hey, you're good. You can start off. All right, dude. That sounds good. It actually looks great too. Like this is awesome. I'm very excited to have a kit that's actually doing its job and going all the way through. So now I guess the big part for me is get home and fix this little line. I need to go to the race shop and do that. Man, that was sick, dude. I know it probably wasn't that cool, but I thought it was really cool.
They cut me an extra one, but he had two
wastegates.
Yeah, so I don't know if you want to save this for your next.
Dude, I'll keep that. You trying to give it to me?
Well, I might just keep it here, but
okay.
You know, whenever you do the next one, I have this.
You're so sweet to me, Kev. Kisses. Cool. She's loaded up and ready for the next stage. Yeah, sugar, you want to kiss goodbye? Thanks, brother. So it's Slim and Shady. And then he went ahead and did the intercooler and the intercooler.
Nice, okay.
So blow-off valve is on.
Looks good, looks so good.
Mm-hmm. Went ahead and stuffed some paper towels. I have to start this car to get it off the trailer. I guess we had to christen the driveway at some point. It's pretty much impossible to live at Evan Shanks' house and not have oil. Oh well. That is definitely #1 priority on the list. So tomorrow, race shop, get that figured out. And I do have some good old BC racing to go on here as well. I'd like to, you know, I'd actually like not only drag race this car, but autocrossing this car would probably be kind of fun the way that it sits right now. So I'm definitely excited to do that. I'm very, very stoked for this build. Glad you guys got to meet Slim and Shady. How white is that I'm saying that? Anyways, welcome to the family. I'm very excited to have this back in the garage. I'm so excited to have this. Guys, I'm so stoked. I'd say about one more day of tinkering and making sure everything is good, and then we can finally tune it. Send it to Trackstar. I do need to install fuel before we do that as well, but I'm excited. Maybe even take it for a spin after I get all the suspension stuff figured out. I'm so excited you guys loved last video's the advice that I gave there. It was very important for me to say that, and so something else that's kind of important on my heart is talking about depression, because I know it's a big thing. I told you guys the other day that anxiety doesn't really ever like leave. You have to constantly beat it. I want to leave you with this. Depression and anxiety are like surfing. The waves keep coming. You just have to teach yourself to be a better surfer. And that's what I want to leave you guys with today. Just to persevere and go through the things in life that maybe make you feel like you're drowning. If you work hard enough, you'll become a better surfer someday. And you'll ride those waves better and better and better. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Catch you guys tomorrow or the next day, whenever I have to decide to upload. Peace. Yo, I got 2 videos for you guys. My back doesn't actually hurt today. I don't feel that old. I feel pretty good. But I'm also very hot. Bummed my AC stopped working in the Tahoe. We're gonna get that fixed tomorrow. But yeah, I got 2 videos for you. I don't know what am I doing? What am I talking about?